Right, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to this Bonk update today. Guys, like the video if you've enjoyed Bonk updates recently. It's actually hitting, it's really pumping. I've been expecting it for quite some time. So if you do like the video, it's actually gonna spread it to other people. Other people are going to watch the videos, and they're gonna actually get some very valuable content. Because the algorithm is not pushing, it's going to push based on your likes. So do just drop a like. It's not going to hurt anything. It's going to help the channel big time. Right, so this time around Bonk is looking really strong right now. Okay, and there has been this one resistance, another resistance here, and another resistance, and if eventually it broke out of that resistance. And I've been talking about it, that if you get rejected, you may actually look to go down. But the fact that Ethereum was bullish, Ethereum was looking amazing, I did say that there are chances you could even see this thing to push to the upside. Now that expectation did actually play out. Now one thing is clearly Bonk has actually maintained a new stop loss, because as you go higher, you go down and then you move higher, your new stop loss become this one, and then as soon as you go higher, your new stop loss become this one, and then as you go higher, your new stop loss is going to become just right over here. So level by level. So as you can see that it's pretty self-explanatory that your new stop losses are going to be right at 1592, right? So this is a pattern. You've broken out of the pattern. The stop is at 1592. Now what I actually expect, if we catch some momentum again, then this is going to be a top to bottom, and we could actually see 2351 at least come up here, because we do have that resistance going on just right over here, right at this area of supply zone. So interestingly enough, we could actually see something like that. So basically do wait for a little bit of a move down, maybe 1702, and then from 1702 bounce off here, and you're good to go to maybe perhaps this area of another resistance, right? So it's all about resistances. You do not have any other resistance. So this was your resistance here, you broke it, you're looking for that. Unless you do not come below 1595, then you do not have the chances to come up here anymore. But what are the odds? The odds are still looking pretty great to actually continue even higher, because Ethereum on the other hand, and I've actually given a freebie. So if you missed Pepe and you need something that is down, that has not moved, then this is a freebie. Even one more reason to like the video. And yeah, the entry was at 25.11 yesterday. It's trading at 25.25. You can still enter. You can use 24.45 as a stop loss. So things are looking good. There has been some news, some big news is slowly starting to crawl in. By the way, $1 billion was transferred yesterday in this one account that this was the third transaction within 14 years of that wallet, and the third transaction happened yesterday. So within 14 years you have 1 billion that was transferred, and I said that is this the start of a null season? Okay, so probably could be the beginning of a null season, and I think it is, because I've been wondering about it. The first 6 months have passed by, okay? 6 months have gone, and we're in the second half of the year. Things definitely can change. The first half can be different, second half can be different, and that's the reason why even on TradingView, things are not random. On the TradingView side of it, you have the 6 months candles, right? There is a reason you can even read the pattern based on a 6 month candle. It's a very big secret, right? A lot of you have seen the 2 minutes, 15 minutes, 4 hour daily, but there's a reason why the 6 month exists, because have you seen even the 3 months? When I talk about quarter, Q1, Q2, even the private actually goes with quarter. For example, the first quarter, the second one, the third quarter, and that's how the private also works. So if you look at Bitcoin on the 6 month time frame, it has been on an uptrend, and we have like 3 white soldiers. That means that the patterns are going to continue, and there are chances that Bitcoin actually even move and crawls up to $150,000 in the near coming future. So things hopefully down the road, slowly, I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow, but I think once things are done and said, slowly somewhere down the road, I know a lot of people have lost hope in crypto, but the thing is, slowly down the road, I do see that it's going to happen. Actually, here it is, right? Back in April, if I show you one message, look at this message. This was made in April, right before the time. At this point, a lot of people were still in crypto back in April. And the message was, my gut's feelings say a lot of people will cash out in the next 3 months if the market stays boring for 3 months. A lot of people will run away because they don't want to risk it anymore. The thing with me is that back in 2017, I've seen market 7 times worse than it is right now. The market these days is a bit more regulated. At those times, Facebook, Google, and even Twitter were banning crypto-related posts and account. And when I say 7 times worse, it's because Bitcoin corrected 30% 7 times in a bull run, right? And it was going from 3,000 to 19,000, but the journey from 3K to 19K had 7 times dumps. And alt faced a lot of problem, and even coronavirus, which actually made the market crash really badly. While you read this, imagine what I had to experience in that moment. But at the end of the day, the coins that were in my list, they made 50 to 100x in 30-90 days, right? And that's all we need. We just need 30-90 days of great glory for altcoin. Like altcoin just need 3 months. And by the look of things, the bottom of the altcoin was back in 2022, and the null season ends after 4 years. So somewhere in 2026 it's gonna end. And if we talk about June, we still have like the whole 9 months, 7 months, 6 months, okay? And 3 months is all we need. This market can still be boring even for 3 more months, and that will be okay, because then by Q4, October, November, December, we could see some really interesting things. And I've even been giving you a free coin, if you haven't got it, message me on Discord and say, hey Adam, tell me the free coin that you mentioned, and I'm going to give you that one free coin for free. And hopefully in the next 4 or 5 months, if you hold it, it can actually give you a 2x as well. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love you.